Morning children of class 10th. Again we will study physics, but the new chapter, that is force, chapter 1. Now children, in earlier classes you have studied about the force, that a rigid body when acted upon by a force can have two kinds of motion, that is linear motion or rotational motion. Another name of linear motion is translational motion. Now, what is linear motion? Motion of a rigid body in the straight path in the direction of the force is called translational motion. For example, on pushing a ball lying on a floor, it begins to move. In which motion? Linear motion. Second is the rotational motion. On applying force at a suitable point on a pivoted body, it rotates about the axis passing through the pivoted point. The turning effect of the force and the motion of the body is called the rotational motion. This also you have learned in earlier classes. For example, rotational motion example, if a wheel is pivoted at its center and a force is applied on its rim, the wheel rotates about its center. So these all things we have learned in earlier classes. Now coming to the new topic, that is torque, or another name moment of force, or another name turning effect of force. Now children, first see this figure. Consider a body which is pivoted at point O. Here you see, if a force F is applied horizontally on the body with the line of action AP. See this A, this is point A, this is point P. The force is unable to produce in the linear direction. What will happen? The force will turn the body, means it will rotate the body about the vertical axis passing through the point O in the direction you can see from this arrow point. Arrow, it is shown by the arrow. The force rotates the body in the anti-clockwise direction. See this direction I have shown, anti-clockwise direction, means a turning effect is produced, a moment of force is produced. So now what is moment of force? Or torque is equal to the product of the magnitude of the force. Here you see this formula also, product of the magnitude of the force and the perpendicular distance of the line of action of the force from the axis of rotation. See this OP. OP is the perpendicular distance of the line of action of force from the axis of rotation. So now what is the formula? Moment of force, force into perpendicular distance of force from the point O. Or you can say moment of force is denoted by the symbol tau, T-A-U, tau. See, it is made like this, is equal to force F into OP. OP is the perpendicular distance of force from the point O. SI unit children, from here on you can see the SI unit force. Force unit is Newton. OP is the distance, perpendicular distance, that is meter. So SI unit is Newton meter. CGS unit is 9 centimeter. Now coming to the direction of this moment of force. Now children, if the effect on the body is to turn it anti-clockwise. Now here you can see this direction is called anti-clockwise direction. The moment of force is called anti-clockwise moment, and it is taken positive. And while if the effect on the body is turned to clockwise, see children, this direction is shown clockwise direction like this. This is clockwise direction. So the moment of force is called clockwise moment and is taken negative. Now common example, I can give the common example of moment of force. To open or shut a door, you apply a force normal to the door at its handle P. Second example you can give, for turning a steering wheel, a force is applied on the rim of the wheel. Or another example, many examples you can give. Here children, I can show from the figure, from the book also. See a spanner. Why in a spanner this handle is long handle is produced. Why? A long handle to produce a large moment of force by a small force applied normally at the ends of its handle. The spanner is turned anti-clockwise, you can see from this figure, to loosen the nut by applying the force in the direction, while it is turned clockwise to tighten the nut by applying the force in the direction opposite to that. Second example you can give: a jack screw used to lift a heavy load such as a vehicle as a long arm. Why jack screw is having a long arm? So that less effort is needed to rotate it so as to raise or lower the load table. Now from these examples, children, you can conclude, or you can say that larger the perpendicular distance, see, this is the distance, larger the perpendicular distance, less is the force needed to produce the same turning effect. Next topic is couple. Couple, that is a pair of forces. When the pair of forces act, then you say it is couple. Now I am reading what is couple. When two forces acting on a body are equal, parallel, opposite, but not along the same straight line, they constitute a couple and produce a motion. For example, turning a water cap, tightening the cap of the bottle, turning a key in a lock, turning a steering wheel. Here what are you doing? You are applying a pair of forces and is applied for rotation. Next is the moment of couple. Children, from here you can understand the moment of couple means what is how the effect produced by a couple. See this figure, this AB, it is a bar which is pivoted at a point O. Here it is pivoted at a point O. At the ends A and B, two equal and opposite forces, each of magnitude F. See this figure, here this force, each of magnitude F are applied. The perpendicular distance between the two forces is AB is D. How much? And this AB is equal to D. This is called the couple arm. This is called the couple arm. So the two forces, see, two equal forces acting at A and B are parallel in an opposite direction, cannot produce translational motion. Here you can say it will not produce translational motion, that is not in a straight line. But what will happen? Why? As the resultant sum is in any direction is 0. But it will give this force is capable of producing a turning effect on the bar. Now you see this figure, this force, it will give this anti-clockwise, this direction is anti-clockwise, this also anti-clockwise direction. So the two forces together form a couple which rotates the bar about the point O. Now how you will take out this? See this from this figure only. Moment of force F at end A, F into perpendicular distance. Just now we have done this formula, perpendicular distance, that is OA. F, moment of force F at B, F into OB, another anti-clockwise. Now total moment of couple, you add both the equations, F will come common, OA plus OB, that is AB. AB is your D, distance that is your couple arm. So this is the formula. What is moment of couple? It is force into couple arm, or you can say force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. Now children, you can do these, I have given now principle of moments also. See this experiment. This experiment, children, you have to do verification of principle of moment. When the school will reopen, then you will do this practical assignment. I have given exercise 1A, question number 2, question number 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20, 25. Children, these you have to do it in your physics register. Thank you, children.